truth.
There's a place tucked away in the hills of Tennessee. A place where whispers echo through the hallways, shadows move without a source, and guests check in, but don't always sleep through the night. Welcome back to Paranormal Truth Files. Today, we're heading deep into the heart of Red Boiling Springs to explore one of Tennessee's most haunted locations, the Thomas House Hotel. Built in the 1890s, the Thomas House was once a luxury resort for wealthy travelers, drawn to the area's famous mineral springs, but beneath the charm lies a darker past. Fires destroyed the original building in 1924. Tragedies struck over the decades: deaths, illnesses, and rumors of ritualistic activity. It sits on ancient Native American land, and some believe that spiritual energy never left. Locals and guests alike report terrifying activity, disembodied voices, children laughing at night, objects moving on their own, and full-body apparitions roaming the halls. Room 37 is known for cold spots and shadows that move. The basement, said to be the center of the hotel's most intense energy. Some even claim to have been scratched or touched by unseen hands. The legend says a little boy drowned nearby and still runs through the halls. A former owner is said to appear by the fireplace, watching the guests. Some even believe secret society rituals once took place on the grounds. So, the question is, would I dare to spend a night here? They still offer ghost tours and overnight investigations. Guests can stay in the rooms where the most activity happens. Some leave in the middle of the night. Will I? If you've been to the Thomas House or want me to investigate it, even deeper, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because this is just the beginning. This is Paranormal Truth Files, where legends come alive and the truth refuses to stay buried.